Shortage of personal protective equipment at our local fire stations, making the jobs of those on the front lines that much harder to do. And KZI 9 News reporter Jillian Smuckler spoke with multiple fire districts in our area to see how they plan on serving the community with limited resources moving forward.
It leaves the rest of us kind of swimming, trying to find it wherever we can.
The burn rate in this county is pretty high.
There's a shortage of N-95 masks in our area, specifically at fire stations. Mike Caven with Eugene Springfield Fire says these specific masks are the highest level of protection when dealing with coronavirus cases or suspected ones.
We're having to take steps both with our members and then with the community in how we respond to preserve the resources that we have.
Caven says the department still sends the same number of vehicles on medical calls, but not everybody on scene gets close to the patient. They're also asking that you meet first responders outside if you can. That way they can assess you in a safer environment, which uses less PPE. Meanwhile, dispatchers play an important role too.
We're going to go ahead and ask those additional questions. We'll document that information, and then the dispatcher will let the responders know while they're en route to the call.
When people call 911, they're now asked to explain their symptoms in detail and whether they've traveled outside of Lane County in the past 2 weeks, or if anyone close to them has been exposed to the virus.
We are here throughout this, regardless of what our situation is. We will be there for our public. And so we need them to be there for us and follow those instructions and help us to better help them, and especially help those who are sickest in the community.
Taking risks is a natural part of the job when you're a first responder, but Mike Caven with Eugene Springfield Fire tells me their crew has been dealing with a lot of anxiety whenever they think about bringing coronavirus into a patient's home or their own home. When
we can't always wear everything that we have to protect ourselves, that obviously is going to add to that anxiety a little bit.
Coburg Fire, Lane Fire Authority, and Eugene Springfield Fire are all asking the public to do one thing. Be smart about what you call for. Only call dispatch for serious matters, practice social distancing, and follow their instructions so that they can save the resources for those who need it the most. Reporting in Eugene, Jillian Smuckler, KZI 9 News.